So I have to tell you, I was super excited. I got back out and started my walks again, and I'm going to do it again tomorrow. We'll see what happens on Thursday, and then I know Friday is going to be the big bang.
Friday is going to be indoors on a treadmill or just peeking out the window maybe all day long.
See what's going on.
Yeah, I got my treadmill going again. I was having some trouble with it. I ignored it for a long time. It was one bolt. It took me 2 minutes to fix it. I've been staring at the thing for 2 years. Literally took me 2 minutes.
Great.
It was, kind of. I was kind of embarrassed that I never figured it out. But that's what I'm going to be doing on Friday. And then probably coming up to work a little bit early. We're going to be talking snowfall totals. Already a winter storm watch posted for basically everybody. All the areas there in blue. Watch, of course, means that we're not quite sure yet. It's looking likely, but not necessarily. It's a possibility that we're going to see over a foot of snow in some spots, and exactly where that's going to be up for debate. But generally speaking, the models, and there's a good 3 or 4 that we typically look at, they're mostly coming to the conclusion that it's going to be a little bit further to the south and the east. And what happens is, we were originally thinking there's going to be northeasterly winds. That puts a lot of snow in the Black Hills area, especially in the northeastern slopes, including Rapid City and Sturgis. Now it's looking like that system shifts a little further to the south. The winds are going to come at the Black Hills from the northwest. That'll posit a lot more snow in the northern Black Hills. There'll be a bullseye, an epicenter right here. And a lot of times Rapid City will be in a precipitation shadow or will miss out on some of the heavier snow. That's my current thinking now. Still a lot of time to change exactly what we're anticipating. There's going to be some significant snow, and it's going to be whipped around by some pretty strong winds too. 20, 30 mile an hour sustained winds, gusts even stronger than that. So I do think there'll be some blizzard-like conditions out in those South Dakota plains. Kind of tough to talk about when there's great weather like today. I can see why Peggy was out there. 51 degrees now. If Peggy's talk of going for a walk got you going, go for it. It's still really nice out there. 55 degrees in downtown Rapid City. We're not the only ones. Beautiful weather is built all the way in here to western South Dakota. It's going to stay tomorrow, mostly south and the east. A cold front's going to sweep through the northwest, and those of you watching from Montana, we can get up into the Ekalaka area and Broadus and Baker. You're going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow. That cold front comes sweeping its way through the area tomorrow morning across Montana, find its way into the Black Hills in the lunch hour. Some showers up to the north, a high likelihood of that. Might see a couple of showers kicked up by that cold front tomorrow afternoon, mostly just right over those Black Hills. The vast majority of us will be dry. A couple of showers on Thursday morning. A better chance on Thursday night. That's when things really get going. We'll see some rain, maybe some thunderstorms. It'll switch over to snow, and it's going to be an ugly Friday the 13th. We're expecting significant snow out on the South Dakota plains. And again, it's not just blowing smoke. I think there will be over a foot of snow in spots. Now, Rapid City's opportunity to see a foot of snow quickly diminishing, but we'll watch that. These little wiggles mean a big difference in snowfall total. 64 degrees tomorrow. That's a lot like it was today. It will be breezy, though, in the afternoon as that cold front sweeps through, and we'll see the occasional light shower here or there. I'm going to take the time to take you around the Black Hills. We didn't have time to do that at 6 o'clock, but you can always see these maps, the northern hills, southern hills, northwestern South Dakota. Well, there'll be some rain. You can always see those over at our website. They are built there each and every afternoon. You can see them actually there first before you can even see them on the newscast. So if you're dying to see your highs and lows in your neighborhood, head on over to blackhillsfox.com. Again, we'll see some showers mostly to the north, mostly the first half of the day for tomorrow. We'll see some spotty showers, maybe a little bit on Wednesday afternoon. Thursday, maybe a little bit in the morning. Most of it happens on Thursday night. It'll switch over to snow, and it's going to be a troublemaker on Friday. Blizzard-like conditions out there. We do expect to see cancellations, at least in spots. Right now, I'd put the bullseye right over about Kadoka or Phillip.
I knew Jason was real. His true identity. Yeah, his true identity is actually Old Man Winter.
That's a good one.
He is a troublemaker. It might not seem like it, but the warmer months are